So now you're uploading more video to LinkedIn because you know that video is a powerful marketing tool to educate and inform your potential clients or customers. And you want to start adding in closed captions just like this to your video. Why would you want to do it, and how do you do it on LinkedIn in the first place? Well, why is because 83% of people that actually watch video is actually watching with the sound off. You know, many of us are taking public transportation, or we're always in a hurry. We don't always have our headphones in, so we are consuming video just by watching. So if closed captions are on, you could read along. Also, you probably heard that if you read and watch something at the same time, you have a higher percentage of understanding the subject or even learning it in the first place. So that's a good reason by itself. Well, how do you do this? Well, I've gone through many different ways, and I figured out the best way to do this. Well, if you upload a video to LinkedIn, you're gonna see a portion at the top that says edit. And it's gonna give you two options. It's gonna say upload a thumbnail, which is a high resolution picture, which I do recommend for you to do. And that's a whole different subject in itself. And the other one is upload an SRT file. SRT file is something that goes along with your video, that understands where to put the text to your voice. The best way to do this is use an AI program called rev.com. It does cost $1 per minute on the length of your video, which I find is cheap because it saves you so much time. And this website is pretty much a 99% accuracy. It knows when you ask a question, it knows where to put the commas, it knows when to put the periods, which saves you so much time, which is the most benefit of what you're doing if you're a business owner and entrepreneur. So what you're gonna do is just download that SRT file when it's done analyzing your video, upload it, and then bam, now you got a whole section of just text under what your voice is talking about, like I am right now, and people can read along and watch your whole video even if the sound is off. So again, it's good to have closed captions because 83% of people will be watching your video without the sound on, and it helps them educate and learn with you at the same time. If you'd like to know and keep up with some of our content that we're gonna keep putting out here on LinkedIn tips or other things in our video repertoire, give us a follow at Starks Media, or just connect with me here on LinkedIn. Other than that, keep creating, educating your customers, and have a powerful day.